Now today class is classification. Today class is classification or odd man out. Classification, or we call it as odd man out. So what is a odd man out? From this topic you will get 2 marks to 3 marks in your exam point of view, right? In this classification they will ask three types of questions basically. The first type 1, they will ask from coding decoding as a previous topic. Coding decoding based on alphabet series, and again type 2, they will ask from number series. Type 3, general knowledge questions. Type 4, miscellaneous. Right? So classification, sometimes we call it as odd man out. So in this type 1 coding decoding based on alphabetical series, again type 2 based on number series, again based on number general knowledge based questions, and the last and final miscellaneous. If you see what are the logics in odd man out, we are going to discuss. Logics. What are the logics we are going to discuss? See, whenever I'm going to start a lesson means first I will summarize what are the topics we are going to cover, how many types of questions are there, how many marks it will be asked in exam. So like that, every time if I started a new chapter means first I will summarize, right? In this odd man out, what are the types of logic we will discuss? Logic number 1, listen carefully. Logic number 1, they will ask two digit questions. In these 2 digits there may be prime number, there may be odd number, there may be even number, right? They may be perfect square, right? Next two, if it is a 3 digit question, it may be a perfect square or perfect cube or factors. Don't worry about these things. I will make with examples with clear detailed explanation. Number 3, if it is a 4 digits, then what happened? Definitely it is a cubes or factors or individual digits sum. And type number 4, pairs. They will ask pair questions. In this pair, first we need to check the difference, and next we need to check the common factors. Now listen carefully. What are the logics we are going to discuss in odd man out from number series? Means they will ask 2 digits. Definitely the 2 digits question may be prime number, odd number, even number, square. If it is a 3 digit question, definitely there may be perfect square, cube or factors. If it is a 4 digit number, it is a perfect cube and factors or individual digits sum. If it is a pair, We'll see examples, then you get better clarity. Pair, in this pair, you need to check either the difference or common factor. Is it understood, guys? Guys, please copy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please copy or make a screenshot. Is I am fast?
No, sir.
Then note it down, this also. What are the type of questions we'll discuss? If anybody wants to write copy, please copy this also. Okay. Shall I move forward?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Now let's see one example. Please observe the example. He will give an examination 4 options. In that, one is different from other 3. Option A, CEG. Option B, DEG. Option C, HIJ. Option D, MOQ. So what is the different from others? Very simple, yeah.
B, sir.
Yes, we already know the things is just give you a number. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7. And again 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17. If you see here, gap is 2, gap is 2. Gap is 2, gap is 2. Gap is 2, gap is 2. Then what is the odd man out? DEG. This is your black sheep. The only thing is you should find which is different from others. Guys, understood? Guys, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then see one more example like this. See one more example. Option A, 25. Option B, 36. Option C, 49. Option D, 121.
Option D, sir.
D is correct answer. Yes, D is correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7,
Square,
7, sir.
square, 7 square, D 11 square.
Yeah, if you see here, this is 5 square, this is 6 square,
6 square,
this is
7 square,
and this is 11.
11 square.
So what is the correct answer?
D, sir.
No. Yeah, it is B for Bombay. Why? This is a prime,
5, 7 are prime numbers.
number. This is a prime number. But 36 means 6 square is not a prime number. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see one more example. Just as a very general knowledge. See one more example. Option A, Lucknow. Option B, Patna. Option C, Jaipur. Option D, Aligarh. Then what is
D,
the,
sir.
yeah, which answer?
D.
Yeah, D. Why?
3 capitals.
Yeah,
Capitals of
Lucknow
states.
is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Patna is the capital of
Bihar.
Bihar.
and
Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan capital. Then Aligarh is not a capital, it is a city. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Questions may be based on coding, deep coding, alphabetical series, or based on number series, or based on general knowledge. See one more example. Question number 4 is only for getting clarity on the type of questions they will ask in your exam. See, Option A 1629. Option B 3418. Option C 2349. Option D 83434. 1834. Then which is the wrong answer? Odd man out. Please think it. I need Y. See, somebody is playing music. Yeah, why? Why I need? If anybody giving a solution means why?
Sir, I think D.
Yeah, why?
Sir, not D, B, sir.
Yeah, option D is correct. But why?
Sir, not D. I think B. It's odd one.
Why? I am asking why.
Sir, because ACD has a square in their numbers, but B doesn't have a square.
Yes, very good. It is 4 square. It is 7 square.
D is 2 square.
Yeah. There is nothing square. Sorry, here I make a mistake. This 36 here.
Okay. D.
This 36. Okay. Then try question number 5. See option A 5216. Option B 7281. Option C 5463. Option D 3341. I need answer from all the students. Only few people are responding. Please get all the people from answer.
सर ये 61 ना 60 ना सर
It is 16, 52, sorry, 61,
Sir, then D.
52, 81,
D, sir.
54, 63, 33,
D,
41.
sir, again.
Find the
Sir,
odd man out.
D.
Option
D,
D.
sir.
See, always I need Y.
Plus 9.
Gap.
Yeah, if you see here,
Difference
gap
answer.
is 9, very good. Gap is 9, very good. Gap
Nine.
is very good. What about this?
8.
Yeah, this black sheep has the
Seven.
difference. Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good.
Hmm.
See, one more question. Is everybody getting? Is everybody getting?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, one more question. Question number 6. If you do more and more questions, you'll get more and more clarity. Option A 416. Option B 824. Option C 1926. Option D, 1626. Tell me black sheep.
Option C, 19 to 26, sir.
Why?
Option C, sir.
I need why always here.
Sir, gaps all
I need why.
options even numbers, sir.
Yeah, very good.
But C, odd number.
Yes, but given answer is this one. Option A. Why means here a number and its square is there. Here a number and its square is there, but remaining are not. There is a valid explanation given. It's a previous year question. Previous year question. Now let's see another question. No problem. Please try this. Question number 7. Yes. Option A, 85, 136. Option B, 34, 85. Option C, 102, 153. Option D, 63, 162. Find out and tell me which is a black sheep.
Option D.
Yeah, answer is
D, sir.
D, sir.
yes, B for Bombay.
Sir, option D, sir.
Yeah, D.
D,
Why?
D. Sir, difference 51, sir.
Difference 51, sir.
Difference is 51. Difference is 51.
51.
Difference is
51.
51. But this black sheep has a difference of
99.
99.
Good approach. Good approach. Please, I need answer from all the guys, but only few people are responding. Try this question number 8. Option A, 1521. Option B, option B, 3241. Option C, 2217. Option D, 3135. Find out the black sheep. See, I gave you in the previous session, right, in the first slide, I written everything. If it is a 2-digit number, prime, odd, even, square. If it is a 3 digits, square, cube, factors. If it is a 4-digit, cube, factor, individual sum. If it is a pair, difference or common factors. You should check these things before going to solve these type of questions. Now tell me answer.
B, sir.
Option is
B.
B for Bombay or D for Delhi?
Bombay, sir.
Bombay. Wrong answer.
So I think C.
Wrong answer. Then tell me remaining options A and E and C. Now,
Sir, D. D.
D, sir.
before going to say answer, you should think what is correct, what is wrong. Now listen carefully. If you see here, 41 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number, but option A is a correct answer. These two are not prime numbers, right? These are composite numbers. Composite numbers means the numbers which have factors more than 2. You should see in every pair you are having 41, 17 and 31. So 41, 17 and 31 are prime numbers. Got it my point?
Yes.
Yes, got it my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then see next question. Question number 9. Please try, think in a different manner. Definitely remaining 3 pairs have a same and other one is different from others. See, try this one. A 24 42, B 36 63, C 37 73, and D 35 51.
D, sir.
D, sir.
D,
Yeah,
sir.
very good.
35, 51.
Yeah, super, super. Why? Yes, number and the digit, a digit is diverse. A number and digits are interchange. Very good. Now let's see the question number 10. See question number 10. Option A 13, option B 17, option C 29, option D 87. Yeah, very good. Very good, very good, very good. All the people are doing perfect. So D is the correct answer. Why means all are prime numbers. Remaining are 87 is not a prime number. Then question number 11. Question number 11.
2, sir.
Yes. Why?
All are composite.
sir.
Yes.
2 is
All
square.
are perfect
2
square, and 2 is not a perfect square. One reason. Another reason. All are composite numbers, but 2 is a prime number. But both the case answer is 2 only. Is it okay? Is it okay? Anybody wants to repeat?
No need, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me question number 12. 36 72, 729, 27.
Madhu sir. Hello.
Guys, any doubt?
సార్ సురేంద్ర సార్ పిలిచున్నాడు సార్ ఒకసారి.
Sir, చెప్పండి సార్.
ఇక్కడ కలర్స్ మీరేనా ఉపయోగిస్తున్నారు?
అవును సార్, వీళ్ళు కూడా వాడుతున్నారు. స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నారు కలర్స్ తో.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
యా గైస్, టెల్ మీ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 12. This is some other question, say number 13, and you are having B option as
D, sir.
yeah. Why D?
Because, sir,
Or multiply with 2.
multiply with 2,
Multiply
sir.
with 2.
Multiply with
2.
2.
But this is not. And here also same thing. Option A and option C I'm writing. Please tell me answer for this. Let's try this. Then what is the odd man out? Question number 13. Find the black sheep.
B,
B.
sir.
Yeah.
B, sir.
B, sir.
Why B?
27 square, 729, 90.
27 square is 729.
729, sir.
20 square is 361. 26 square is 676. But 32 square. Can anybody say 32 square?
1024.
1024.
1024. Do you remember how to find a shortcut of squaring of a number? In a previous class, I discussed finding
50
square of
plus
any
50
number.
minus.
Anybody wants to remain square of any number?
No need, sir.
If anybody wants, just listen. 32 square, first number is 3. Square the first number, right first. 3 square is 9. And again 2 square is 4. Then next
2 into 3 into 3.
yeah. You should write like this. 0, 9, 0, 4. Again 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Leave first and last, right in the middle. Then we'll get as 4, 2, 10.
A plus B whole square.
We discussed already this, just remaining on. That's enough. Now solve the next question. Get ready. As question number 13. Please try this. Option A, 811. Option B, 14. Option C, 710. Option D, 35.
D, sir.
Option
D,
D,
sir.
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 Yeah, why?
Gap.
Plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus D plus 2.
Very good, very good. Then solve this one. Option A, 2945. Option B, 1927. Option C, 1523. Option D, 1624.
Option A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
people saying A answer. Still any other answers?
Option D.
C, sir.
Yeah, option C, some people saying. And tell
Sir,
me the
option-
option B and D.
Option A, sir.
Yeah, now listen carefully. Don't write. Please listen carefully. Don't write. Don't write. Now listen carefully. What is the answer? Listen, guys. Listen. If you see here, 29 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. Then what about the answer is?
D.
Yeah, D for Delhi. It does not contain a prime number, right? So that's why D is your answer. Please observe carefully before going to say your answer. If you have a brain means you should prove with your a different answer, and that should be correct answer. Option A, 815. Option B, 2536. Option C, 4964. Option D, 8100.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why?
All are perfect squares.
Yes, this is 5 square, this is 6 square, this is 7 square, this is 8 square, this is 9 square, this is 10 square. Super, guys. Super. Yes, now solve the next question, number 16. If I say important means you should make stars. Now try this. Which answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
Why A?
Yes.
12 square 144.
Very good.
Remaining all are not perfect squares.
Remaining or not? Good. Good explanation. See next question. Try this. Now, this is some different question. Please make stars for this question. 4610, 4233, 2038. This important question. Make star for this. 91. and find out which is a black sheep. What is a black sheep? See, we already discussed here this one. The answer is okay, no problem. I will explain. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully, no problem. Here, sum of the digits 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is 1 plus 0, 1. Means from LHS, RHS, the digital sum is 1. Similarly, 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 1 plus 0, 1. But 1 plus 2, 3. Means the LHS and RHS digits sum is same in the 3 options. But what about this black sheep? It does not have. So that's why question number 17 is important based on digital sum. Is it okay? Anybody wants to repeat? Guys, respond. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Yes. From LHS and RHS, the digital sum is same. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 0. Similarly, 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 1. But 2 plus 1, 3. So the digital sum in the D option is not equal. But here, here, and here equal. Is it okay? As guys respond.
Yes, sir.
Then see question number 18. What is the answer? What is the black sheep? Yeah, what is the black sheep? Option A is a black sheep. Why? If you see difference 11 here, if you see difference 11 here, if you see difference 11 here, but if you see difference is what here?
9.
So that's why question number 18, option A is your black sheep. See question number 19. Please try this. A 1, 0, B 2, 3, C 3, 8, D 4, 27. If you are saying answer means I need Y.
B, sir.
Yeah, option is
B.
B for Bombay.
Yes, sir.
Y.
I
Perfect
think
cube. sir.
B.
Yeah,
Perfect cube.
perfect cube. Is it correct? Please think it clearly. Option D is a perfect answer. If you see here, Y. Y. So very simple, guys. First option, 1, 0 means 1 square minus 1. it is 0. 2, 3 means 2 square minus 1, 3. Again 3, 8. That is 3 square minus 1. It is 8. 4, 27. 4 square minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. That's why D for Delhi is your wrong answer. Is it correct? Anybody wants to repeat?
No need.
Anybody wants to repeat?
Sir, once your previous question,
Yeah, tell me previous question.
question 18. Sir.
Yeah, question number 18. All are having a difference of 11. But option A has difference of 9. See,
Okay, sir.
I gave you already logics. In logics, we written that if it is a 2-digit number, then prime number, even number, odd number, perfect square or cube. Perfect square. So that's why if you see here difference, this is only having 9. Remaining all are having 11. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then next question. Question number 20. Yeah, please try this. Please try slowly. No hurry burry. Take your own time. 28, 9. B. 31, 10. C. 34, 11. D. 36, 12.
Option D, sir.
Sir.
Very good. Why?
Into 3 plus 1.
Very good. If you see the second digit is 9. So 9 into 3 plus 1, you'll get first digit. 10 into 3 plus 1, you'll get first digit. 11 into 3 plus 1, you'll get first digit. But 12 into 3 plus 1, you need to get 37. But you are having here 36. Good answer. Good answer. And this is important question. Please make it starts. Then try this. Question number 21. Option A, 5725. Option B, 6514. Option C, 3463. Option D, 8948. Now try. Then prove yourself you are different from others. Anybody can say answer. Please participate, all the students, all the people respond. Around the 37 people are there.
A, sir. Option A.
Yeah, some people are saying answer A. Then remaining.
Option A, sir. Answer.
Yeah, option A. Remaining people. Yeah, don't tick mark. Yeah, don't tick mark.
Option A, sir.
Option A. Still any other answers? Any other answers?
B, sir. Option B, sir.
Any other answers? Please prove it yourself as you are different from others. Yeah, some people are saying option B. Don't put tick mark here. Yeah. Who the people saying A, why? Tell me why. Who the people are saying answer A, why? Guys, the person who said A,
Sir, B,
I
sir.
square
B
25.
answer.
yeah, you are saying that it is a perfect square 25. Isn't it?
No, sir. B answer.
Yeah, B answer. Why?
ఎందుకంటే first and second last letter
Super. The first letter and the last letter. The first
same,
letter
sir.
and the last letter. The first letter and the last letter are same. But in B option, it is different from others. Very good. Very good thinking. That's why it is a star question. If you see all the time, you'll think that if it is a 4-digit number, you will go to the very big manner. So what is? But very simple. This is the first digit and last digit are same, but option B does not have same. Question number 23. Please try this. Option A 6378. Option B 7689. Option C 3245. Option D 4367.
4367, sir.
D,
Sir,
sir.
D,
Option D.
Option D.
Why?
ఎందుకంటే
six.
ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్
Every first
First letter back letter ki two
First
different.
and third have +1. D first and third have
plus 2,
+2.
sir. First number plus 2 equals to last number.
Yeah, you are saying that first
First-
number and
Last number plus 2 equals to last number.
is equal to last number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are writing 6378 means 7 plus 6 is 13. Again 8 plus 3 not.
6 plus 2, 8, sir.
Then any other answers? Any other answers?
Sir, first and
D
third term,
only,
every
sir.
digit +1. 6,
Yeah,
7,
okay.
8, 7, 8,
I'm
3,
asking
4,
only, sir.
6.
Some people are saying B. Now listen carefully, no problem. Yeah, please listen carefully. Okay, now listen carefully. Please don't write. Listen carefully. I'll say answer. Please listen carefully. Now, guys, listen. Why your answers are wrong? Now, listen carefully. If you see here, 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8.
15.
6 plus 9.
15.
15. But if you see here, 6 plus 7, 13.
30.
But 8 plus 3, 11.
11.
Now tell me which is different from others.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The people who are thinking like that, definitely they are perfect. Anybody wants to repeat?
No
sir.
need, sir.
Yeah. So please think, take your own time. You should different from others. Prove yourself. You are different from others. Now please try this. Please all of you try this. Question number 22. Please try this. Take your own time. But tell me correct answer. See, ఒక్కసారి గొడ్డలెత్తి చంపేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ పోయి చెక్ చేయకూడదు ప్రాణం ఉందా పోయిందా అని. గొడ్డలి పెట్టినామంటే చచ్చిపోయింది అలా. If you are saying answer means definitely that should be true and that should be perfect. ప్రపంచం గుర్తుపెట్టుకునేది who will be the
D,
first?
sir. Answer. D, sir. Sir, D, sir. Multiplication, sir.
Yeah,
D, sir.
perfect,
Answer.
perfect. Now try 23. Now let's see, observe question number 23. చూద్దాం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చేయని చూద్దాం. Option A 853, option B 734, 751 and 530.
C, sir.
Option C, sir. C, sir.
Yeah, why?
751.
Why?
8 minus 5
8 plus
equals
5, 8.
3.
Okay, 8
7
minus 5
minus 3, 4,
Plus
sir.
3,
7
7.
minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2.
Super. So this will be your black sheep. Now try next question. You are fast. Okay, no problem. 220, 450, 330, 110.
450.
Okay.
B.
Yeah, correct. 25. Now try this. Who are having a different analogy? Now try question number 25. Please try this, all of you. And this is important. Make stacks. 256671. B. 257931. C. 276471. D. 265391. Yeah, please try this, all of you. And 25 is important.
Sir, answer D. Sir, answer D.
Answer D. Why?
Sir, అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తుంటే 27 వస్తుంది సార్. D మాత్రం 26 వస్తుంది.
Good explanation. Very good. Good explanation. If you see 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1, the sum will become 27. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. The digital sum will become 27. Plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1. The digital sum will become 27. Plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1. But the digital sum is not 27. The digital sum is 26. That's
26.
why option D is your black sheep. Now try 26. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Am I fast?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now try this. 26. Option A. 399. Option B. 448. Option C. 449. Option D. 497. Find out which option is black sheep. We discuss up to 30.
D, sir.
D,
Yeah, which
sir.
option?
D, sir.
D, sir.
You are saying D. Yeah, still any other people? Still any other answers? Right, this is important question. Sometimes the question may be on divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Do you know divisibility 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yes.
8, 9, 11? Sometimes enough, up to 11 enough. But still you people are preparing for any other competitive exams, then it is important 13, 17, 31, 43, right? 47. So these numbers are important. Now, yes, 399 is successfully divisible by 7. If you see here, 7 5 is 35, 7 7 is 49, remainder is 0. If you divide this with 7, 7 6 is 42, again 7 4 is 28, you'll get remainder as 0. Again, if you divide it by 7, 7 6 is 42, sorry, 7 7 is 49, again 7 1 is 7, again remainder will become 0. But if you divide this black sheep 449, you should not get remainder as 0. The remainder will get as 7 6 are 42, right? 2 remainder, 7 3 are 7 4 are 28. You'll get remainder as 1. So remaining all other options, if they are divisible with 7, you will get remainder as 0. But what about this black sheep? You'll get remainder as 1. So sometimes the question may be asked on divisibility rules. That's why there is another type of question, question number 26. You should remain in our exams. Anybody wants to repeat? Anybody wants to
No,
repeat?
sir.
Okay. Shall I move forward?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then number 27 will stop at 30. Please try this.
What is 1?
Yes, answer is 21. Why?
Composite number.
Good.
Remaining prime number.
28. Yeah, please try this. Good question. It is good question. Please try this. So remember my tricks. If it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, remain my logics. What we written in a first.
D, 28D.
Yes, sir. D, sir.
Yes, answer is
All ABC are getting
D.
11 when they added, but D it is getting 12.
good. Super explanation. Yes, if you see in question number this one, if you add all the digits,
Sir,
you
D,
will
sir.
get answer as
29D.
29D, sir.
here also 11, here also 11. But if you add here,
29D.
you will get as 12. So that's why this is black sheep. Then what about question number 29?
D, sir.
Yeah, why? Why?
Also square, sir.
Everywhere you are having a perfect squares. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Here you should have 10 square, 11 square or some other. That's why this is a black sheep. Yes, last and final question for today class, number 30. Please try this, all of you. Option A, 1221. Option B, 5775. Option C, 1541. Option D, 3443.
C,
C,
C, sir. C, sir. Answer.
Yeah, why? The digits are
Right, number.
yeah, digits are okay,
Opposite,
right? Okay, very good. Tomorrow we'll see some GK related topics. Today we discussed only on numbers. Tomorrow we'll see alphabets as well as GK related questions. And I'll give you
Okay, sir.
yeah, and I will give you some classification. For example, gibber. What is gibber? Do you know gibber? What is gibber? The sound made by monkeys or apes. The sound made by monkeys or apes is known as gibber. What is rattles? Yeah, the sound made by leaves.
Snake.
Right? What is jingle? Jingle is the sound made by coin. Right? So like that, some different classifications are there. I will give you tomorrow notes. Some
Okay,
important, only important, not all. Okay,
Okay,
guys.
Okay, sir.
Please, thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.